Well, good morning, everyone. It is a very humid Tuesday morning after all of that lovely, lovely rain we've gotten in the past couple of days. The mosquitoes also love it, so I wanted to show you kind of a little inexpensive gardening hack that I did recently when I was shopping my garage. Periodically, I like to just look in my basement and my garage to see if there's anything in there that either needs to be discarded, given away, tossed, whatever, in my attempts to declutter my life, not so much my garden. But I wanted to show you this fun little project that I did this year with these inexpensive bamboo torches. Now, we've got a breeze today, and as soon as I show you these, I'm going to blow them out and probably shorten the wicks a little bit. But these are those inexpensive bamboo torches that you can find just about anywhere at any Lowe's or Home Depot, or I got my new one at Walmart. These actually had been in my garage, stuffed into a cobwebby corner, remnants of a Halloween past when we lit our drive for trick-or-treaters with them. But I didn't like the way that they looked kind of cheap and not very sturdy and formidable in the garden, just in their current natural state. So I spray painted them, just a moss green color. You can see I need to touch up that side. But they virtually disappear now in the garden, and they also really frame the potager nicely, especially in the evening when they're both lit. Now, I had considered, what I had wanted to do was really to just stick them into these large baskets that I've got planted on either side of the entry, but they proved to be just a little bit too tall and they wouldn't stand up and fly right. So at that moment of opportunity after a rain, I stuck them into the ground. So now for the most part they are straight. I spend so much time straightening things in the garden. Do you all do that as well? So at any rate, I just got a can of spray paint and I spray painted them this kind of mossy green. You could do them in black. You could do them in a fun color if you have a whimsical garden. And I actually want two more for the border across from the potager. So I bought a couple more. Now this one came from Walmart and it was $2.88. And it's from, made from a renewable resource. Bamboo grows very quickly. And then I also got some of the citronella oil. That may or may not really deter mosquitoes, but I think it can't hurt. And I'm also doing this in penance because I was telling you all about these wonderful mosquito zappers only to discover that they're apparently out of stock online. As soon as they are available again, I will let you know. In the meantime, you might try those Thermacell, Thermacell, Thermacell units. You can get those on Amazon. Those work also very well, though they don't have, I think, the added convenience of just being easily rechargeable, and I think are a little bit more expensive in the long run. So there is your little garden hack for today. Just get an inexpensive bamboo torch and spray paint it to give you a little bit of protection, some atmosphere, and also a little bit of vertical interest in your garden. We're getting ready to shoot a promised video on some of my blue-gray plants that I just adore, that I think really communicate beautifully with the color of these green torches. Those little knobs hanging on them are to distinguish and extinguish the flame. If you have an inexpensive garden hack that you would like to share with me, please let me know. Put it in the comments, and if I can, I will try to share it, give you credit, because gardening can be an expensive hobby. It does not have to be, but it can be, especially sometimes for the very special appointments that we like to have in terms of garden ornament and garden styling, not to mention the plants themselves and any labor we might have to hire out. So if you've got some really wonderful, inexpensive garden hacks, please let me know, because I know someone will ask. I've answered it before, but because I know someone will ask. Those finials came from Goodwill. They were $3 a piece, and I just painted them. So as I said, things don't have to be expensive, but we do have to be observant. And anytime we come up with an idea when we're shopping our garage or our basements or our attics or sheds, I think it's good to see how we can repurpose them. So there you go. There is my garden hack for you for this Tuesday morning. Nice cloud cover this morning. Hope all of you have just a wonderful day. Please stay safe and stay well.